Trend line action. The theory of trend lines. The usefulness of trend lines depends on our basic theorem that a technical position or price movement once established will be continued until something happens to change the technical situation. The greater number of extremes touched by a trend line, the more dependable is that trend line. Trend lines must necessarily be broken sometime since the stock market never pursues in a single direction forever. Thus, we see that while the single trend line is not infallible, it offers very profitable trading help, especially when it considered in conjunction with any of our previously studied formations and other chart phenomena. Trend lines often give early reversal signals. Another useful service frequently performed by trend lines is the forecasting of reversal before the reversal signal is given by the completion of one of the technical formations. What constitutes a significant break in trend line? In general, we should follow the same rules in appraising the significance of a price break through trend line that we apply to break out from one of familiar pattern formations. In other words, we must take into consideration the extent of price movement, the closing price on the day the line is penetrated, and finally the volume. Although volume, as we shall see, is not a necessary accompaniment to decisive break in a trend line, so volume is not that important. Volume Volume is the measure of buying and selling taking place in given stock within any stated period. Every transaction involves both buyer and seller. One of them is willing or obligated to buy the stock and other to sell a certain price. Generally speaking, we have no means of knowing positively who is buying and who is selling and why. In all our discussion of volume, therefore, it must be understood that by high volume, we mean volume greater than normal in specific issue and at the time under consideration. Declining volume during pattern formation. Another characteristic of volume action, which has been quite fully discussed in our previous study, is the tendency for volume to decline during period of formation of technical area pattern. Volumes tend to run higher when prices are moving in the direction of basic trend. Those three moments. There are three moments in of all averages, all of which may be in progress at one and the same time. The first, the most important, is the primary trend, the broad upward or downward movement known as bull or bear market, which may be several years duration. Second, both averages must confirm the movements of both the railroads and industrial stock averages should always be considered together. 3. Determining the trend. Successive rallies penetrating preceding high points with ensuing decline terminates above preceding low points offer a bullish indication.